Good morning, good morning, good morning. Just taking this short step this morning. The sun is shining. Happy, 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 happy. Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yes. Happy Tuesday. Gratitude. I am grateful. Yes. As you can see, I'm just rolling myself forward. I have been putting in a lot of miles. So I just been rolling myself forward and just trying to just find a rhythm. Yes, finding a rhythm. But yes, I am grateful for this present moment, for the ability to, oh, that's my shadow right there. As you can see, yes, I can see. I am grateful. Thank you for this present moment. Thank you for another beautiful day. I am grateful. I am grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What can I say? I do not know. Taking that breath, that energy.